the ultimate guide to fire-resistant gardening. Are you tired of watching your beloved garden go up in flames every time a wildfire approaches your neighborhood? Do you dread the thought of your beautiful home being engulfed in fire due to poor landscaping choices? Well, fear not, dear viewers, for I am here to enlighten you on the wonderful world of fire-resistant gardening. Now, I know what you are thinking: fire-resistant gardening. Is that even a thing? Trust me, I get it. The idea of plants and landscaping techniques helping to reduce fire risk and protect our home sounds too good to be true. But let me assure you, it is very much a real thing, and it can make a world of difference in keeping your property safe during fire season. Step 1. Assemble your plant army. Think of your garden as a medieval castle. Your plants? They're your brave soldiers standing guard against the fiery foes. Here's what you need in your plant army. Aloe vera nights, known for their soothing properties and juice-filled leaves, ready to quench any fiery invader. Picture them in shining green armor, ready to joust with flames. Succulent troops, the elite soldiers with high water content, ready to extinguish rogue embers. They're the water balloons of the plant world. Who knew they'd become your garden's frontline fire brigade? Lavender wizards, these magical botanicals do not just smell divine, they are the Gandalf of plants, declaring, "You shall not pass," to approaching flames. Plus, they'll keep you calm amidst the chaos with their serene scent. Imagine your aloe vera nights lining up, their fleshy, green bodies gleaming in the sunlight. They're not just plants, they're your garden's first responders, ready to soothe and quench flames. Succulents, with their high water content, stand ready to extinguish any rogue embers. They're the unsung heroes of the plant world, the water balloons of the garden. And lavender? It is not just a pretty face. This wizard plant stands tall and proud, its magical properties repelling flames and keeping your garden smelling divine. Step 2. Build the Great Wall of fire breaks. Fire breaks are the unsung heroes of fire-resistant gardening. Imagine them as the invisible force fields that protect your home. Gravel paths, the stony soldiers, stoically stopping flames. They are like the garden's version of a moat, minus the alligators. Stone walls, the ultimate defenders, holding strong against any fiery assault. They're the stone-cold bodyguards of your garden, unflinching in the face of danger. Moats of moisture, fill them with moisture-rich plants, they serve as the first line of defense. Think of them as a wet blanket over the flames, literally. You see, gravel paths aren't just for decoration. They're the stony soldiers of your garden, standing firm and ready to stop flames in their tracks. And stone walls? They're the ultimate defenders, the bodyguards who won't let any fiery assault get past them. Moats of moisture-rich plants act like a wet blanket over the flames, ready to smother any fire that dares approach your castle. Step 3. Enlist your garden gnomes. No longer mere decorative figures, your garden gnomes are now vigilant sentinels. They are ready to sound the alarm at the first sign of smoke. Imagine them like medieval watchmen, small but mighty. Equip them with mini watering cans and tiny firefighter hats for extra charm. They'll be ready to spray down any hot-headed intruder. Train your garden gnomes to stand at attention, their beady little eyes scanning the horizon for any sign of smoke. In the world of fire-resistant gardening, even the gnomes have a role to play. These tiny watchmen stand vigilant, their beady eyes scanning the horizon for any sign of smoke. Equip them with mini watering cans and tiny firefighter hats for that extra charm. They might be small, but they're mighty, and they're ready to sound the alarm at the first whiff of danger. Step 4. Transform enemies into allies. Dry leaves and twigs seem like traitors in your garden. They accumulate faster than you can say rake, but they do not have to be fire hazards. Turn them into compost, transforming them from treacherous tinder into nutrient-rich soil. It is a win-win. Think of them as secret agents, once enemies, now turned allies, providing rich nutrients for your garden. Leaves and twigs might seem like traitors, accumulating and threatening to ignite at any moment. But with a bit of cleverness, they can be transformed into your garden's greatest allies. Turn them into compost, and suddenly, these treacherous tinders become nutrient-rich soil, feeding your plants and keeping the flames at bay. Step 5. Spa day for your plants. Regular watering is essential. Think of it as giving your plants a refreshing spa day. Not only will it keep them healthy and happy, but it will also ensure they are well hydrated and ready to face any fiery foe. Plus, it is a great excuse to break out the garden hose and have a little fun. Who does not love a good water fight? Picture your plants lounging in tiny hammocks, sipping on refreshing drinks as you water them. Watering your plants regularly is like giving them a refreshing spa day. Imagine them lounging in tiny hammocks, sipping on refreshing drinks as you water them. Not only does it keep them healthy and happy, but it also ensures they're well hydrated and ready to face any fiery foe. Plus, it is a great excuse to break out the garden hose and have a little fun. Who doesn't love a good water fight? Step 6. Embrace the power of mulch. Mulch is like a cozy blanket for your plants, keeping them safe and snug. Choose non-flammable options, like gravel or stone, to ensure maximum protection. Remember, it is all about safety and style. Imagine your plant snuggling up under a warm, protective blanket of mulch, safe from the fiery menace. Mulch acts like a cozy blanket for your plants, keeping them safe and snug. Choose non-flammable options, like gravel or stone, to ensure maximum protection. Imagine your plant snuggling up under a warm, protective blanket of mulch, safe from the fiery menace lurking outside. Myth-busting, roses and fire resistance. I know what you are thinking, this all sounds great, but what about my beloved rose bushes? Surely they not be fire resistant? Fear not. By choosing varieties with thicker leaves and higher moisture content, you can enjoy their beauty without sacrificing safety. Your roses can still add a touch of elegance to your garden fortress. Think of your roses as the noble ladies of the garden, standing tall and beautiful amidst the chaos, their thicker leaves and higher moisture content keeping the flames at bay. Even roses, the noble ladies of the garden, can play a role in your fire-resistant landscape. By choosing varieties with thicker leaves and higher moisture content, you can enjoy their beauty without sacrificing safety. Picture these elegant blooms standing tall and proud amidst the chaos, their vibrant colors a testament to their resilience. In the grand scheme of things, fire-resistant gardening is not only about practicality but also about turning your garden into a fun, fortified haven. By incorporating these tips and tricks, you can transform your garden into a fortress of safety and beauty. It's a win-win for both you and Mother Nature. And remember, when it comes to fire-resistant gardening, laughter is the best fertilizer. So go ahead, have a chuckle, and get planting. Your garden will thank you. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Garden Pros, for more gardening tips and tricks. Do not forget to like, share, and comment below with your thoughts on fire-resistant gardening. Together, we can create beautiful, safe outdoor spaces for all to enjoy. Thank you for joining this botanical escapade. And now, dear viewers, it is time to grab that trowel and get to work. Your garden adventure awaits. What do you think? Ready to turn your garden into a hilariously fortified haven?